strapping. Hand strapping, we've got 12, 15 and 19 mil poly strap. We sell a strapping kit, so we come with a dispenser box, which you just knock the center out, and then that dispenses the strap. You get 1,000 seals, you get a crimper, and you get a tensioner. Okay, so we thread some strap over. So we would have a top strap and a bottom strap. We would then grab our tensioner, we lift it all the way up, we put the strap up through, then we bring the top strap through the cutter and through these wheels, and we would then tension up. We grab a seal, they go over the top of both straps. We grab a crimper and we seal that up. We then press the handle all the way down, which cuts the strap, and we move it out of the way. And then that's your strap for next time. That's your tensioner. The strap's nice and tight. All done.